Well, today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different in that it's a Doctor Who mystery box, but not a new one. My cat is joining in by washing her body. So this was a box that came out in 2016 by Zavvi, and they used to release a range of boxes called Z Box, and they would do different themed ones, and they were sort of renowned for being, shall we say, poor value for money. So this one came out and it was retailed at £30 originally, and they were advertising it saying it was £60 worth of value plus, and it would be full of exclusives. So I sent off it. I think they were selling them off at 15 by the end. So I said I don't think I paid £30 for this one. Otherwise I'd have been well annoyed. But if we have a look, what you get in it, it shows you what value the amazing mystery boxes are. So it's quite a nice TARDIS box. A lot of people bought them for this box. So it's a big blue shoebox sized box. The inside of which is actually quite nice. So it folds out to a TARDIS interior. So you could, if you wanted to, put in these boxes and use it for like displaying 12-inch figures in front of. And so the items you got weren't a lot. So if we go through them, so you got, it's all TARDIS themed obviously. You got a little TARDIS tin full of mints. It's an okay item. It's sort of thing you would expect to see in Poundland, I suppose. TARDIS tin mints. So that was one of the exclusive items. And you got a TARDIS sticker, a vinyl sticker, which is okay, but probably worth not more than £1. You got a Doctor Who lanyard. Ooh, because everyone wants lanyards. I don't know why they keep including things like this in mystery boxes, because who wears lanyards unless you're at work, and if you're at work they probably don't let you wear a Doctor Who lanyard. You get a police box wristband. You see these everywhere for charities and things like this. They're like rubber wristbands. This one's a Doctor Who one, police box. You got a t-shirt, which is quite nice as far as t-shirts go. TARDIS one, and that was, I think, supposedly exclusive. Well, that might not have been one of the exclusive items. This definitely wasn't exclusive because this was available elsewhere. This was a Funko Pop TARDIS, and I didn't actually have one of these, so I was quite pleased with this one. And I think these retail for about £15, so for what I paid for the box, it was like getting the rest of it free. That's the best item in it. And then there was also an exclusive TARDIS mug, which was advertised as a magic mug, which I'll show you now what this does when you add hot water to it. Yeah, magic. And the final thing you got was a Doctor Who Experience flyer. Inside the box it says, "I am definitely a madman with a box." And that was it. So a lot of fans were unhappy about this box. It's sort of become notorious for being poor value for money. Like I say, I was okay. I paid £15 and I got £15 Funko Pop TARDIS. But if you already had that, there's not a lot of value in the box. You see them quite often on eBay, and a lot of people buy them just for the card box, but if you're paying sort of £10-15, probably worth it. Anything more, nah. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these unboxings, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then, bye.